Alright folks, today I'm going to show you how to make the best instant pot carnitas. If tacos, nachos, and burritos are your jam, then you're in for a treat. This recipe is not only easy but also incredibly delicious. First up, let's talk ingredients. Here's what you'll need, and trust me, these ingredients are going to make your carnitas burst with flavor. A 6-pound pork butt roast, which is the star of our dish. Make sure to get a good quality cut for the best results. 1.5 tablespoons of salt to bring out all the flavors in the meat. A tablespoon of dried oregano, which adds a wonderful earthy aroma. 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, giving it that warm, slightly nutty flavor. A teaspoon of ground black pepper for a bit of heat and depth. Half a teaspoon of chili powder to add a subtle kick. Half a teaspoon of paprika, which gives a nice smoky flavor. 2 tablespoons of olive oil to help sear the meat and lock in the flavors. A cup of orange juice, which adds a sweet and tangy element. And 1 chopped onion for that savory base. And 4 cloves of diced garlic. Garlic is essential for that rich, aromatic flavor. Now let's get into it. Trim all that excess fat from the pork butt and cut it into 2-inch cubes. Trust me, this step is key for getting that perfect texture. You want the meat to be tender but not too fatty. In a small bowl, mix together the salt, oregano, cumin, black pepper, chili powder, and paprika. Rub this spice mix all over your pork cubes. Make sure you coat them well. This is where the magic begins, as the spices start to infuse into the meat. Next, drizzle a bit of olive oil over the pork, just enough to coat them lightly. Now transfer these seasoned cubes into your instant pot. The olive oil helps in searing the meat, giving it a beautiful crust. Here's where the magic happens. Pour in your cup of orange juice, then add the chopped onion and diced garlic. This combo infuses the meat with such incredible flavor. The orange juice not only adds sweetness but also helps in tenderizing the meat. Put the lid on your instant pot and lock it. Bring it to full pressure over medium heat. You're going to cook the pork until it's no longer pink in the center. That'll take about 60 minutes. During this time, the flavors meld together, creating a symphony of taste. After that, let the pressure come down naturally, which takes about 15 minutes. I know it requires a bit of patience, but trust me, it's worth it. This step ensures that the meat remains juicy and tender. Once the pressure is down, open up the pot and shred that tender, juicy pork. Use 2 forks to pull apart the meat. It should be so tender that it practically falls apart. And there you have it, folks. Perfect instant pot carnitas. Serve them up in tacos, throw them on nachos, or stuff them into burritos. Whatever you choose, you're gonna love this. The versatility of this dish is what makes it so special. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. You're gonna want everyone to taste these. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one. Remember, good food is all about sharing and enjoying with loved ones.